Battersea Power Station development is an $8 billion investment on a 42-acre site that will see a new shopping centre in the old building, luxury apartments, cultural venues, workspaces and a new extension to the Northern Line underground to 9 Elms and Battersea development. There will be an 18-acre green space as part of the project. The original cranes from the old docks will be removed and restored and re-erected at the site to maintain its originality and heritage. The power station itself, now well over 70 years old, will be kept original. A new state-of-the-art jetty will be constructed as a launch pad for riverboats. Overall, this project is one of the largest private projects that London has ever seen. Construction is moving along at great speed in order to deliver this remarkable development. We are here at the site of Battersea Power Station, which was decommissioned in 1983, and as you can see behind me here, they've taken down 3 of the chimneys already. These chimneys will be rebuilt as they were decaying and they were dangerous. So as part of the new building and a new programme, there will be 4 new chimneys erected. The site itself is being constructed by developer SP Setia. It's an £8 billion project, this alone. There's going to be 2 more stations added to the Northern Line, and the developer himself is putting up £200 million worth of money towards that. It spent an incredible amount of money on the site itself. In 2011, they purchased the site for £400 million. You can see all the apartments and shops there under construction at the moment in the background. There is going to be apartments, shops. Within the building itself, it's going to be a shopping centre, a shopping precinct. Along the waterfront, which is on the other side of this building, there is going to be 3 kilometres of a stretch of shop fronts and walkways, 18 acres of green area out of the 42-acre site. It will run from east to west, and as you can see here behind, the vastness of this whole project, like the amount of cranes that are there, the amount of buildings that are going to be built around here, it's, you know, awash with money. You can see all these cranes here working on the opposite side of the viaduct there, the railway track. So this is the new major project in London. I don't think London has seen a project of this scale in recent times. Maybe the Olympic Stadium and Stratford. In total, 9 Elms Road, which backs onto the power station here, is going to have a spend of around 15 billion. So an enormous amount of capital. It would be very interesting to bring you here and show you this project or this site before all the rest of the towers start rising around this area here. As you can see, like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tower cranes here. The piling rigs are in beside this building already, the iconic 1930s building, which was decommissioned in '83, as I said. A Malaysian developer got his hands on it and got agreement from the council, and they got planning permission, and now they're building all these beautiful apartments. They're going to be fronting onto the river, and they're going to make this place vibrant again. The developer has to be commended because they've taken great enthusiasm and put it to practice here, and they've spent an enormous amount of money and taken a huge risk on a site where other developers didn't quite get over the line. They're taking it on, they've challenged it, and they're going to turn this beautiful building, which is really an old part of London, and rejuvenate it and give it the energy that it once had, but in a different way. Londoners, people who migrate here, and business people will all benefit from this. I think it's going to be great for the future.